Hi, I'm Mikko from Visual Components. Today we're talking about machine tools. Do you know how to get the most out of your machine tools? How to maximize the efficiency, either for you or to your customer? I was very surprised to learn that 78% of customers buy from the first responder. Time is of essence, and you should be the first one to respond to their RFQs. That's where we can help you. According to the same online survey, 55% of suppliers take more than 5 days to respond. That's a long time. With the Visual Components software, you can respond quickly to your customers' RFQs and deliver them a visual, attractive 3D proposal. It can be dynamic, it can be based on virtual reality, and it offers the customer a good understanding of system behavior and gives you the possibility to show him around his future factory. If you would like to ensure that the next project will be a success, join us online in our next webinar. We're going to talk a bit more about these topics related to machine tools and the investments, as well as the automation, simulation, and prediction of what the future brings. Have a great day. See you online soon. Bye.